Okay, today I will be teaching you how to make a sugar cookie in a cup, which is also cooked in a microwave. So, to start off, you need a tablespoon of melted butter. Pour that into your cup. Then you need 2 tablespoons of sugar, 3 tablespoons of flour. Then you're going to need a 1/4 tablespoon of vanilla, which is basically just a splash. So we'll be eyeballing it. Okay, there. Then it calls for an egg yolk. But I am just using whisked egg because I already used it for my snickerdoodle, which you can watch that video also. So that should be enough egg. There. It also calls for a pinch of salt. Good. And then it says you can add rainbow sprinkles, but my family does not like regular sprinkles, so I will be using sugar sprinkles. I will have a taste tester. Now the snickerdoodle was not rated high. I only got a 3.5. I thought it was higher, but it's not for everyone. Here we go. I've made a chocolate chip cookie in a cup too. And that one is pretty good, but I wanted to try something else. So I have decided to venture out and do a sugar cookie and a snickerdoodle. Snickerdoodle turned out pretty good. I overcooked it though. It looked super mushy, but turns out you're supposed to let it set up. Oops. Okay, so that's how mine looks. I'm sure it would look different with real sprinkles, which I'm gonna add because I think it'll look nice, but oops. Whoa, there's gingerbread men in there. Those are from Christmas. Okay. I'm gonna put that in my microwave for 43 seconds because it says 40 to 45, so I'll try to do a medium, which is about that. I know, 42.5, but I'm not doing that, so. Okay, so here is the recipe itself. So you can screenshot that if you would like. To find all my other videos, you can look up in the search bar MADELINBURNAU. That will give you all of my videos, and I hope you watch them. But that's the recipe, and now our cookie's almost done. Taste tester! Can you get a fork?
Yeah.
2, 1. Okay, so it looks like that. I'm not quite sure if it's done. Let me see the fork.
No.
Sure you know.
Why'd you put sprinkles on it?
It looks prettier.
I don't care.
Told you. Okay, let me see this. So
Don't bite it.
it came off.
Hey!
Oh, I'm pretty sure it's done.
Is it hot?
Kind of. Yeah, just take a small bite.
Ooh, it's mushy.
Does it look done?
Done like
Okay.
done to you?
I'll cook it for 15 more seconds. Another thing with all these videos, and these instructions, they're way undercooked. I'm adding 15 seconds. What do you hope it tastes like?
A sugar cookie. With sugar sprinkles.
There is sugar sprinkles in it. I just put those
only.
on top. Okay, one. Okay, that should be done. Why is it still beeping? Okay.
Is
it's
it good?
fine. It's fine. Yeah, it's good. I'm gonna try some.
Call it.
I think it's good. Okay, so what would you rate it? What would you rate it? I get to eat that one because you already ate the snickerdoodle. What would you rate it?
3.
3 stars?
Yeah.
Dude,
This one's worse than the other one.
what? I think it's
They're-
pretty
they're-
good. I'd give it about 4 stars.
They're both good, but this one's a little bit not as good as
Okay.
the other one.
Well, I think it's fantastic.
She's
Well, thank you
lying.
Well, thank you for watching. I hope you make it and you enjoy yours a little more than this
Bye.
Debbie Downer. But thanks for watching.